Hello everyone, this is Simran. In today's video, we are going to learn very simple techniques for meditation which will help us in coping with stress in these times. So first we'll sit comfortably and easily in any corner of our house where there is little peace and less noise, and just sit comfortably and easily on the floor or on the chair. Anywhere is fine, but the thing should be quiet place, and keep your spine straight and a gentle smile on your face, and roll back your shoulders and and you can keep your hands on your knees, palm facing the ceiling, or you can put any mudra like a chin mudra or adi mudra, or any mudra of palm open is fine for beginners. If you're a beginner, you can start meditating daily from 5 minutes and you can increase. So this is the cushion I am taking like this. If you're not able to keep your spine straight, this will help you for sure. So just sit like this for a moment, keep your eyes closed and focus on your breath. Thoughts are coming, let the thoughts come, it's okay. Do not resist any thoughts, just let them come. Observe your thought, observe your thinking. What are you thinking? Just be aware of it and focus on your breath. Let the breath come and go on its own, and you just be aware of it. And slowly we will realize that our mind and our thoughts have calmed and relaxed. And even in the initially it does not calm, it's okay. You just keep practicing and you will go to next levels. Practice is the key here or anywhere. Just do not lose hope. Start daily with 5 minutes and slowly open your eyes and you can relax yourself. I hope you like